Hey folks, David Pritz here. I'm blogging today to introduce the Typeracer Summer Contest. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask anybody that wants to participate and invite you to make a brief video, kind of like I'm doing right now. And at some point in the video, we'd like you to introduce some sort of typing tip or trick, any kind of method that has allowed you to type faster on Typeracer or in your job, etc. And after we collect all the submissions, we'll probably give folks a couple weeks to submit, and then we'll have a voting process. And the community will get to vote for which videos they thought were the most interesting or the most helpful, etc. So this will be sort of a sample video. I am going to introduce a couple of tips right now. And the first one is, when I make a mistake typing on Typeracer, rather than hitting backspace a few times and then trying to fix it, I just hit Control-A, backspace, and then start typing again. This allows me to delete the whole word. You might think that slows you down since you end up typing a little more, but I find that it actually speeds me up. And the second tip is to slow down when you see difficult words. And I'm going to do a quick sample race to show these. There we go. Control-A. Slowing down there on that word. Control-A. Okay, 128 words a minute, not bad. Yeah, so folks, what you might have seen in the video is that if I make a typo and I only type one letter, then I know that hitting backspace is going to actually be faster. But if I'm making a typo and there's multiple incorrect letters, then I would use Control-A. Regarding the slowing down on harder words, you'll see I did that a little bit with the word like counsel, which is like C-O-U-N-S-E-L. It's not really a very common word. The N-S-E-L is a combination that you might not get as often, so I try to slow down before I get to that. Some folks might say that it's important to keep a rhythm that's consistent while typing rather than speeding up and then slowing down, but at least in my experience, I found that making that conscious decision of when to slow down and speed up has helped me get a little bit faster. Anyhow, so I hope that these tips and tricks are useful for some of you, and I look forward to seeing the videos that everybody submits, and we'll have some cool prizes for you, etc. And I'll outline the specific details in the blog post. Thanks everybody, happy summer, and look forward to seeing you in this contest.